Hi everybody, I'm going to show you how I get the transcript from Zoom and then put it into Microsoft Word and then put it into NVivo rather than doing it during class. So if you've never done or hosted a Zoom before, um, you should know how to do that by now. If you don't, email me and I'll show you. But anyways, when you finish your interview on Zoom, you'll get an email like this saying your recording is done, and it'll bring you to here. So this is our meeting, and the link in the email brings you right here. So then what you do is you just download those files. So this is from last night, and I've got a folder here, Zoom recordings. So it looks like this first one here is a text document. I'm not sure what that is, but I'm just going to save that. And then it's going to ask me to save. So this is the MPEG-4 audio file. And then it's going to ask you, this is that VTT file. This is the transcript. So I'm going to put that in this folder as well. Okay. Oh, and here's the video. Come on. There we go. Okay, I'm going to save that. Okay. Then I'm going to go here and no judgment on my background. Here, consent format. Let's see if I can find them right here. Okay. Desktop, Zoom recordings. I wonder why that didn't work. Anyways, so transcript. This is that VTT file right there. Okay. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to, let's try this. Open with. Let's see if we can open that with Word. Yeah, let's try that. Okay. So here we go. This is it. And let me get back my. Sorry, like, how do you get this back? Anyways, let's go to view. There we go. And I'm going to pin that. View, and then. Nope, that's not what I want. Sorry. Print layout. And then I'm going to move that right there. Why can't I zoom in? I'm just crapping the bed on this, so sorry about that. Review. How do I just get to regular? Oh, undo, vertical. There we go. Sorry. Okay. So, anyways, the nice thing about getting the Zoom transcript, like it says here, it says who says what when. And right here, it says that during our class last night, we this is 54 pages of everybody talking, who said what when, and you're going to have to probably clean this up. But it's actually not as bad as it sounds. So check this out. This is all that I do. If you want to do some cleanup in here, you totally could. Actually, I would recommend you doing the cleanup in Word rather than NVivo or Deduce, whatever you're going to use, because this is a lot more user friendly. I've learned that in NVivo you can't. There's no like Control C or undo. There's just very minimal editing options compared to like the Microsoft document. So I won't do that. But again, I'm just going to select all, Control A, and then I'm going to Control C to copy it. Then when you go to NVivo, let's just go to a new file. I'm going to go to a new document, and I'm just going to call this Club 21. And then, so this is where I am with all of mine. Those are my previous interviews. And I'm going to go here, and then I'm going to paste. And since it's all of those pages, this is what it looks like in NVivo. So then if this were me and this is just a small talk, and like let's say, and notice I'm in edit mode right here. So then what I can do is, like, let's pretend that all of these chunks here were just my participant answering questions. Then what I would do to kind of clean that up, I would go like that. And then, like, let's say I want to kind of just chunk this together. So I would do something like this. So I know it's my participant. I don't need like the timestamp for every time, depending on like how long their responses were. So this is what I do to kind of clean it up. So I'm gonna just kind of go like, oh. So like let's say this is their response. So then so like let's say something like this, and then this is where I would do code selection, and then I would do, looking at the previous codes that I've done. But I said, if you go to the edit up here, like let's say this is a really important thing that I want to highlight. So then I would maybe go something like this and change. I would make it bold, and then I would make it green. Or I think I don't think there's a highlight version of that. So then if you zoom out, this is kind of what it looks like. So then when you go back, and then you see where the responses are, and then at least it sticks out a little bit. And then you can also, if you want to, you can change the font size like that. And I'm not a huge fan of the Curry or New, so then I might just go with like an Arial or something, just to kind of make it a little easier to read. So anyways, that's what I do, right or wrong, good, bad, or ugly. Sorry I stumbled through some of that. If you have any other questions or concerns or issues, let me know. But I found this, for me, to be the most painless way to get it into NVivo, so then I can start my coding. So good luck. We'll talk to you later.